Some of the most common diseases that we have seen in our societies, in family, in our relative, like diabetes, blood pressure, heart issues, obesity. So these are the one of the most common problem that India's most of the population and the families they are suffering with. What we have seen also, if the person is not monitoring their health, not observing their health very precisely, it can transform into the secondary complication like kidney failure, heart attack, neurological problem, including sometimes in the cancer like diseases. So we have to understand in which state we are right now. If the person is a diabetic or blood pressure or the heart patient, whether he is in a primary level of that diseases, whether he is in a moderate, whether he is in a more critical state, because your diabetic level can be more than 200, somebody can sometimes it can be more than a 300, maybe possible it will be go beyond even 400. The same goes for the blood pressure. The data and the criticalness, it's directly proportional. So we have created such a platform which can help us to observe ki what is the critical parameter right now as your health condition. Whether you are in a much more risky state where you immediately needed to require the doctor consultation medication process, so we can control that progression of diseases, or you can just consult some of the medical practitioners like this doctor or something, where you don't need to require much more critical alertness, but you can normal medication can help you to control this disease. So first stage is we need to control the progression of diseases. It cannot go in such a way it can transform into the some of the life threatening condition. So it is only possible when we are observing our health. So this observation of the health, this monitoring of the health is the very important point for you. So how this monitoring process is happening, you just need to log in www.enigma.asia. You can talk to our healthcare expertise. We will help you to create your health account according to your geographical location, because it will help us to identify in which environmental factor you are living with right now. We will help you to get a perfect diet plan from our healthcare expertise. They've been having an experience of more than 15 years. They will help you to guide and give you the perfect diet plan according to your health condition, whether you are a diabetic or thyroid. So according to that, we will design a perfect diet plan for you. Our one of the most primary objective for you is to make you healthy, happy and achieve a longer life. That is our goal, and please be a part of our initiative by joining the Enigma AI Health Analytics. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay happy.